With all the different photo booth software out there, I know it can be hard choosing the right one for your photo booth business. So that's why I want to show you guys Simple Booth. Simple Booth is a good software to use no matter where you're at in your photo booth business. I want to show you guys some of the features that I really like that set Simple Booth apart from all the other photo booth software that's out there, as well as give you guys a tutorial on how to set up a preset and start using Simple Booth today. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Natalie, and I started my photo booth business in 2021. And I want to help you start your photo booth business. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I want to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by Simple Booth. Let's get straight into the video. Here's the features that I really like. Pre-made themes. Each pre-made theme comes with a start screen and an overlay. And that saves so much time. If you're anything like me, I'm not good at design. So I often have to pay somebody to create those for me. They have a large library of themes to choose from. Holidays like Christmas, New Year's, Valentine's Day. They even have birthday themes like 16th birthday, 21st birthday, 50th birthday. They have sports theme, graduation themes. So whatever the event is, they have a theme for it. Number 2 is live sharing. You're able to project in real time the photos that are being taken at the photo booth onto another screen. That makes it really fun and interactive for all the guests at your event. And it also encourages people to come and take a photo as well. Number 3 is digital props. There's no other software out there that has as many digital props as Simple Booth. They have props for different occasions such as weddings, holidays, Christmas, Valentine's Day, New Year's. They have just silly props where you can just put a mustache on, a beard on, hard eyes. I really like the props because they're so funny and it's so fun to use. Number 4 is background replacement. This takes the physical backdrop and replaces it with any backdrop that you can create or download from Canva. You can put people on the beach. They could be in outer space. They can be at the Great Wall of China if you want to. Whatever you can think of. And this saves a lot of money on buying physical backdrops. So this is so fun and it's easy to use. Number 5, customizable online galleries. Your customers can share their online galleries with a link to all their photos, or you can share your galleries on your website as well. And you can customize the background and the color scheme of your gallery to match your customer's event. Now let's talk about pricing. They have weekly pricing and monthly pricing. I like the weekly pricing. If you're just starting off in your photo booth business and you're not getting consistent bookings, then you won't have to pay for a whole month. So you can just do a week at a time if you need to, or they have monthly subscriptions as well. And they have different pricing tiers depending on what you need for your photo booth business. Now let's get to the tutorial on how to use the Simple Booth app. First, you're going to create a new preset. A preset is everything from the start screen, the overlay, everything that the customer will experience when they're using the photo booth. So you're going to create a new preset for every photo booth event that you have. I'm going to name my preset Customer Party. And then you're going to create a new gallery as well. You want to create a new gallery for every photo booth event that you have as well. You don't want those photos to be mixed in with other customers' photos. New gallery, and then I'm going to title my gallery Customer Party. The privacy level is who is able to view the gallery. If it's public, anyone can view the gallery. If it's unlisted, only people with a link can view the gallery. And if it's private, only the owner can view the gallery. You can add hashtags if your customers have a hashtag. Some weddings, I know they have their own hashtag. But Customer Party. So I'm going to put Customer Party as a hashtag. And when those photos get shared and in messages, when they get sent, that hashtag will show up. Then I really like that you can customize the gallery. So you can change the background color of the gallery. I'm going to change it to purple. And you can change the text color as well to anything, but I'm going to leave it black. Save that gallery. Save the preset. And then I'm going to click on that preset again. And then I'm going to make all the changes and customize the whole preset. So here you can choose what you want your countdown to be. I'm going to say leave it at 3. You can add your own start screen, or you can use the themes that they already have. So we're going to use the themes that they already have today. You also can go to manage overlays and add your own overlay as well, but we're going to use the one that's already included on the app. The layout of the photo, you could change how many photos they have. You can go up to 4 photos. I'm going to save it at 1. And then I really like that you can edit the margin of the photo and just change up the overall look of the photo. I'm going to leave the glam filter on. The glam filter basically smooths out the skin and makes people look really good. Like I said, we're going to choose a theme. I'm going to go with the Mardi Gras theme. Like I said, it includes the start screen and the overlay. Choose that theme. Then you can choose the booth color scheme. It can be dark or light. I really like the dark theme. Just on the start screen, you can edit the text color as well and the background color. Here's where you can add background replacement, but you have to add the backgrounds from your computer. And then you can allow the customers to edit the photos. I'm going to add filters and props. Send options, you can choose how you want customers to be able to send and receive their photos. I'm going to choose QR code and text message. You can edit the message that is being sent when they receive their photo. I'm going to say party booth. And then you can launch your event. Push launch, go live, and as simple as that. Then you're ready to start your photo booth. Still photo. Add filters. Props. I'm going to add my mustache. You know I love my mustache. Launch. And then they will be able to scan this QR code now and receive the photo, or you can send a text message. All right, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Good luck with your photo booth business. Bye.